My suggestions of sentence preparation is how much damage have these gases caused over 50 years. Then we read out the sentence. You can do that. And then my elaboration is, can you explain Fahrenheit in degrees centigrade? Can you ask the students about how long 50 years is for them, as this is a long process? And how do you explain the temperature of the temperature of the atmosphere is decreasing? So I think I've done enough to show you how to do this. Please work out your own interactions now for this sentence, and you can write it down, or you can just practice it based upon the information that is here.